In this video, I will be sharing a few secrets on how to repurpose your content to maximize your traffic right after this. Boom. Create and do what makes you happy. Welcome back to my channel. It's the #1 place for new coaches, content creators, and entrepreneurs. In today's video, I want to share with you some of my favorite hacks when it comes to repurposing your content on social media. If you're subscribed to my channel or you enjoy watching my videos, I have a feeling you're most likely some form of content creator or want to be. And a problem that I see happen a lot is that a lot of content creators burn out simply because they don't know how to repurpose their content and use their old content and stretch it out even further. That's why if you want to learn how you can be more efficient in your content creation journey, then make sure that you keep on watching all the way to the end. Now, the first tip and first hack that I have for you is to leverage your transcriptions. This tip is going to be super important, especially if you are a YouTuber or a podcaster. Anytime you do something audio or on video, make sure that you're actually getting the transcription of that file. If you don't know what transcription is, it's just the words that you're saying. For example, in my channel here, I have transcriptions for all of my YouTube videos because it's necessary for me to make my YouTube videos captions friendly because a lot of people want to read it as well. But what I also do is I take that transcription and then I multiply it by embedding it in my newsletters and emails. I sometimes take it and put it into my Instagram captions and even my Facebook posts. That's why if you already have existing long-form content such as podcast episodes or YouTube videos, you definitely want to leverage that piece of transcription. Not only this, but here's another secret hack. What you can also do is you can read your transcriptions over and over again and take the key points and form new videos to expand on those topics or on your next podcast. That way you're not always scrambling to come up with new ideas. And for a lot of content creators, we don't realize how much information we truly put into a single piece of content. That's why having the transcription is handy, because you could simply pass it off to a VA, pass it off to someone on your team, or even just do it yourself and just reread the transcription, take away the key points, and then expand on those topics to further your content creation. Now, another cool hack I have for you is when it comes to content repurposing, to get more traffic, all you have to do is claim your Instagram account on your Pinterest account. So what that means is when you're on Instagram and you post something, you can actually just share it right to your Pinterest account, but they have to be claimed. So all you do is log in your Pinterest, claim your Instagram, and then it makes it an easy post. You can also do this for Facebook if you really want to. This is going to help you maximize the amount of traffic that you're going to drive to your Instagram page. So when people click on Pinterest or they click on your Facebook, it goes to your Instagram page. And that's why I highly recommend you do this whenever you're posting a new Instagram post on Instagram. Okay, so for the last and final tip that I want to share with you that's going to allow you to get even more reach whenever you're doing content is to go live on TikTok and Instagram at the same time, or go live on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. What this means is that whenever I'm going live, I'm trying to do it on 2 different platforms at the same time, so that way you're kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So you're speaking to 2 different audiences and kind of mixing them together if they want to go on your Facebook page or your Instagram page or your TikTok page. Okay, I make sure that my live stream is always shared to my private Facebook group as well, and that way you can help get other people into your Facebook group. You want to turn your followers into potential sales or clients in that Facebook group because it's more intimate, it's more of a community. So as you can see so far in this video, we talked a lot about how you can repurpose your content on multiple platforms without necessarily creating new content, so that you can save a lot more time in your business. Because in the end, everything online is to get that freedom that you want, to make money online, to get away from the 9 to 5. So at the end of the day, you want to be able to save this time, get off the content grind so that you can focus on other things that are actually going to generate you more revenue and also just things that you actually enjoy, like hanging out with your family. And so that's why, if you're interested in learning a little bit more, make sure you download some of my free content below, and make sure you also jump into my Facebook group where you can ask questions, learn from like-minded people there, and we're always willing to give a helping hand. So that's going to teach you how you can streamline your business so that you can have more followers and subscribers on all your different platforms and channels. So if you made it this far, please subscribe and let me know down below what questions do you have. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.